Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the Amazfit Trex 3. So here in the US, this is only $280. And then if you sign up for their email, you get another 10% off. So pretty sweet deal. Alright, so out of the main box there, we have the little Amazfit symbol, which is really cool. Kind of like a little chameleon there. Nothing else in there. Brave Your Adventure. That's a really cool box, actually. Come back to watch in just a second here. I'm gonna actually, guys, yeah, that's really cool. So it has the map on there. So it's cool. So now you can actually download a map onto the watch. You hit download your area. Let's see. So nothing else in there. Okay, there we go. And let's see, so this looks to be how to change out the bands, or the tools to change out the bands. It's not made it a little bit easier to change out the bands at least. Let's see. Okay, figured out how to open that up. So you have the adapters here for the band, and then the tool to actually get the band off. Once I figure out how to do this, I will be making another video for this watch on how to change out the bands. Shouldn't be too hard. And then now with the charger, you can actually use any USB Type-C charger, and then this little guy here, this little puck, to charge up the watch. So that is really cool. Other than that, all we have in here is some paperwork and then some empty space. Nothing else. Yep, nothing else in there. Let's go ahead and look at the watch a bit closer here. So it does have 4 buttons. I believe is what that is. Yeah, so you have 4 buttons: up, select, back, down, of course, to do other things than that. On the side here, we do have Amazfit. You can see the buttons are textured as well. And on this side, there's a little mountain. Again, the buttons are going to be textured. I think it's a very nice looking watch for $280. Then we have the charging spot up here. We have, of course, all your sensors there as well. It does say Trex there. Let's see. And then it does have like the Trex and your serial number and a few other things on the back here. Also the 10 atmospheres. And then let's take a quick look here at this band. A bit more light on here. I think it's a really cool looking band. It does have the little Amazfit symbol there again. Yeah, and it has like that's really cool. So it has like the like from the map on here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't think what the word is for this, but it has like the same thing that's on here on the band. And the back here is kind of bumpy here as well. See how it does with the skin. Might leave a bit of a mark. I like to wear mine tight, but that is okay. And it's a nice looking band. It's a nice looking watch overall. Again, this is $280 here in the US. Again, if you sign up for their email, you can get another 10% off of it. So personally, I ended up buying this. I bought, grab these real fast. I bought 2 bands for it. With that 10% off, I think it came out to like $312 or something like that after taxes. So not bad at all. So stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be making more videos on this. I will do a comparison against this and then my Epix 2 Pro 51mm here eventually as well. Then I'll also do a how to change out the bands. It shouldn't be too hard. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.